Okay, ji, welcome back.
Thank you, sir.
Let's wait for 2 minutes so that the rest of the people they can also join.
Excuse me, sir.
जी why?
Sir, जी زموږ د سرکټ هغه کلاس هم په زوم خو چې هغه څنګه یو سیشن ختم شي ډایرکټ سر بیم شروع شي او ریکارډینګ وسره عموم کیږي.
ها अच्छा کدی شي
بریک
یار
پکې
هغه
نه
سب
راځي مې ډایرکټ بس کولو.
अच्छा
هغه بس سایت ته راکټ ساينس لګولې.
بس اوس
سر ټو ډیوایس یوز کوي. ټو ډیوایس هغه ور وینا چې زه د بل ډیوایس نه ګو هغه ټو ډیوایس یوز کوي. یو نو په یو ریکارډینګ سٹارټ نو دا بل هغه نه بل ډیوایس نه هغه په لیب کې ناست. زموږ الکتریکل ډپارټمنټ لیب کې مې ناست.
ها अच्छा
نو دی وجه
ठीक
यस सर.
Okay ji, so previously we were discussing the alpha. Alpha is basically IC by IE, which is equal to alpha, where alpha is the current amplification for common base configuration, and beta is basically the current amplification for common emitter configuration, right? One is for the common base configuration and the other one is for the common emitter configuration. So alpha is for common base configuration and beta is for common emitter configuration. And if we just play around with the equation, so what we are going to get, that we know that IE is equal to IC plus IB and if we replace the IE with IC, so IE is actually equal to, if we go back or here, so IC
सर जी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
जी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
अब आ रही है.
अच्छा what we can say IE. Okay, can you listen now?
Yes sir.
Sir.
Okay, so IE can be replaced in terms of IC, that it will be equal to IC by alpha is equal to IC, and this will be equal to, if we replace IB in terms of IC, so this will be equal to IC by beta. Are you with me?
Yes sir.
Question? Is
No
this thing
sir.
okay? So if you can see, we can take out IC from the equation And once we take out IC from the equation, we will have 1 over alpha is equal to 1 plus 1 over beta, right? Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Right? Or what we can do, 1 over alpha is equal to beta plus 1 divided by beta, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Or what we can say that alpha is equal to beta divided by beta plus 1,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
right? Or alternately, we can also say this thing that from here we can say 1 over alpha
-1.
minus 1 is equal to 1 over beta,
Beta.
right?
Yes.
Or what we can say, 1 minus alpha divided by alpha is equal to 1 over beta,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Or
Yes.
what we can say, beta is equal to alpha divided by 1 minus alpha,
Yes.
right?
Yes, sir.
So what
Yes.
we have basically two equation. One is alpha in terms of beta, the other one is beta in terms of alpha,
Al-
right? Or what we can say that if we just further on extend this, so what we can have that we have IE is equal to IC plus IB, right?
Yes, sir.
So what we can say that IE is equal to beta times IB plus IB, right?
Yes, sir.
Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
So what we can say, IE is equal to 1 plus beta times IB, right?
Yes, sir.
Or similarly, we can say that we have from here, we can also say this thing that IE, as beta is a big number, so we can say IE is approximately equal to beta times IB, right? As we know that IE is approximately equal to IC, right? Because we know this thing that IC is equal to beta times IB, right? Okay, ji?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's it for today, right?
Yes.
So up till this, it will be basically a part of the midterm, and we have a meeting probably tomorrow or day after tomorrow with the CRs, and then we will discuss how the things will be in the midterm, right? So once we will discuss that, and then your corresponding CRs will let you know that how the midterm is going to be. ठीक है जी? So
सर देखिए
before that, I will suggest that we will discuss that, and then you will come to know that how the midterm will be taken. ठीक है जी? क्योंकि अभी तक
एक्सक्यूज मी सर
जी जी क्वेश्चन।
सर ये परसेंटेज थोड़ा कम रखिए क्योंकि हमारे फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस है एग्जाम ऑनलाइन, तो वो जो परसेंटेज कम होगा जिसको भी जो जो मसले हो तो हमारे जीपीए पे इफेक्ट कम पड़ेगा। तो मेट का अगर परसेंटेज कम हो वो अटेंडेंस और असाइनमेंट उसमें प्लस किया जाए तो
तो
बेहतर रहेगा।
इसीलिए कह रहे हैं ना कि वो डिस्कस कर
सर
लेंगे, तो आपको फिर आपके कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग सीआर जो है पूरी इंफॉर्मेशन दे देंगे। ठीक है जी?
ओके
जी सर।
सर आसान पेपर जोड़ के सर
इंशाल्लाह खुदे बखैर कहीं मां। ठीक है?
सर
सर जी चा सबक
मिड
ने
कोर्स
वेले चा
डेज ले
गलम
पूरे
सोचे
बस
सर
सर जी द मासूमानो ख्यालो साथी सर
खा टोल माशुमान दी मण बस टोल बख्याल साथू। ठीक शो? द टोल
जी
बख्याल
सर
साथू।
थैंक यू सर
ओके जी,
थैंक यू
इंशाल्लाह।
सर
ओके
थैंक
जी,
यू सर।
ओके, थैंक यू।
ډیره مهرباني سر جی ډیره
سجید اندنی
تمام.
لاله مستاسو خبرو
सर लड़ रहे थे शाम नए कोर्स पके दे ओए ओए